I ordered this towel set online. Let's open it. This pack comes with 5 bath towels. The packaging is simple. Let me check them one by one. The size looks good for daily use. The fabric feels soft to touch. It's not too thin, not too thick either. The stitching look neat. This towel absorbs water well. It feels comfortable on the skin. Good enough for daily bath use. This is suitable for home and family use. 5 towels in one set is useful. Overall, this is a value for money product. If you are looking for budget bath towels, this set is worth checking out. Tata, bye bye, see you, bye.